I'll go just about anywhere and do anything
Straight down.
to get an amazing photo. And with 2022 in my rearview mirror, looking back, it was one for the record books. That's gonna be some good footage. Hey everyone, I'm Ian Shive, and this is Nature in Focus. Hey everyone. Get out of the shade. Sunset's usually my favorite time of night, but right now, oh wait, let's try it again. No, I don't like that one. Ready to go? All right, let's roll. There were some misfires.
Pretty, can't believe how high up we are.
But overall, 2022 was an incredible adventure-filled year. "71% of the Earth is covered in water. So what kind of nature photographer would I be if I didn't jump in and tell that side of the story too?"
All right, here we go, leopard sharks.
I've done some unusual things to help draw attention to important conservation stories, but working with a real-life mermaid, and then dropping her in the ocean with a couple hundred leopard sharks
Please return.
for a special episode of Shark Week, that one takes the cake.
Ready when you are.
Much of capturing great nature photos is about the random moments that you can't plan for.
Oh, it's so beautiful down there. There's so much life too. There's fish everywhere. It's like a giant redwood forest completely under the ocean.
Making a new friend in Channel Islands National Park takes the top spot for most random wildlife encounter. I'm just glad he didn't pull my fins off, because he sure was trying. I managed to get into some much shallower water than the Pacific Ocean too.
Swore I wasn't getting in the LA River today. But then now here we are.
I joined a team of biologists from Stillwater Sciences to learn about the efforts to restore the Los Angeles River back to its full glory.
This is our normal wardrobe for hiking. Keeps us warm in case it gets cold very suddenly, or in case we need to jump in a pool of water and look for trout.
And help restore an ancient trout migration route.
This undercut here where we're finding our larger trout.
That's the us part of that. The two of us are in here. I didn't say we.
I was told there was professionals coming today, so I didn't bring my wetsuit.
Here we go. I love to crawl around on the ground. It's a reminder that there are incredible stories taking place that we often overlook or step right over.
One of the best ways to find things to photograph is to just take a nice walk through the grasslands and look for those things dancing around you. Little bugs jumping, things crawling, slithering. Kind of like me when I'm taking photos.
But hidden worlds aren't always underfoot. They're sometimes just super far into the backcountry.
All right, come on. Gotta get there before the sun sets.
Which means liberating myself from my usual camera setup and moving quickly into the mountains of Sequoia National Park.
Looks like we made it just in time.
With nothing but the camera on my phone. And honestly, I think it worked out pretty well.
That's pretty epic. This is the spot to be at sunset.
But if I'm not crawling or climbing to reveal hidden worlds, I'm also learning that we're quickly losing an ancient and important view, our night sky. By far, one of the highlights of the year was learning about the importance of keeping our skies dark. I was joined by Ruskin Hartley, Executive Director of the International Dark Sky Association.
We are looking for a dark sky. It's just the wrong time of day, huh?
Dark skies were the natural environment for every living thing on Earth until about 150 years ago.
Watching the sun go down.
Watching it go down. All right, Ruskin, tell me this. I took my first photo of the horizon over there. I'm getting a pink glow.
In the direction of Los Angeles. It travels 100 kilometers and still see that sky glow.
I'll have to keep working to get my dark sky shot. I can't see where the lens is.
Welcome to Ostrich Land. I made a splashy greeting card for Ostrich Land. But I had to first race an ostrich, or at least I tried.
Ready? 1, 2, good. No. Guess I'm faster.
The fastest runner of any other two-legged animal, they sprint 43 miles an hour. But they're more interested in pecking at the bucket of seed in my hand. I think this will be quirky.
Oh my gosh, that's kind of funny.
This would probably be up there with weirdest ways to lose a camera.
I am worried that the lens is gonna get snatched, but it wouldn't be the first time some animal's gotten one of these lenses. That was a little too close.
And in Bosque del Apache National Wildlife Refuge, I kept the theme of feathers going, wrapping up the year the way I always do. Joining my dad, who's also a photographer.
See how many birds are out there?
I sure do. They're really flying in a lot.
Hey, are you pushing my button?
I did. I was pushing your buttons.
You're not getting photo credit.
I don't want credit. To document one of the greatest migrating bird spectacles in the world.
At the end of the day, it all kind of came together. The snow geese flew in, the clouds parted a little bit, good end of day light.
Yeah, they showed up, and here comes some more right now, in fact. That's a wrap for Nature in Focus this year, 2022. But make sure you keep watching, because just like those migrating birds, I'm coming back next year for a whole lot more adventures.